this video, GPIO pinout usage as input is demonstrated, in contrast to earlier interfacing video 3:2 on GPIO pinout usage as output, for which a new project with suitable name, path, and configuration, as already explained in earlier video and again shown here, is to be created. Then on creation of project window, start the project on Schematic Capture tab with Raspberry Pi board schematic as close as possible to the center of work area.
The required parts, namely LED, push button, 1K ohm resistor, 470 ohm resistor, and 10K ohm resistor. To know more about the parts, one may refer Chapter 5 and 10, respectively at page 29 and 75 of the book in the description box for earlier video, interfacing 3:2. To know more about series resistor connections, one may refer page 214 of the book given in the description box of this video. Now get all the parts to the work area, one by one, at required place of alignment and with required properties. Similarly, get required terminals to proper places for alignment. For alignment of parts, it is important to know that Raspberry Pi GPIO port is not protected with a buffer. So, a 1K ohm resistor is required to be included between the switch and the GPIO pin as a precaution to prevent damage in case the GPIO port is accidentally set as an output. The switch is also to be connected to ground line or 0 volt to complete the circuit between GPIO pin and 0 volt. The LED along with a 470 ohm current limiting resistor is to be connected to the power terminal. This is so because pressing the switch should complete the circuit between the LED and 0 volt to light up as a visual indication that the switch is pressed. Finally, there has to be a 10K ohm pull-up resistor. wires is made between terminals and parts in alignment. This alignment is according to required digital logic to be defined by interface programming. So, after wiring, interface programming for defining GPIO input behavior is written on Source Code tab. The code is quite similar to that for LED output in earlier video. After writing and saving the code, simulate the project by pressing the play button on Schematic Capture tab. See the LED blinking output on button press input. If this video is found useful, please like, share, and subscribe to remain up to date with latest videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.